As we continue to navigate a particularly active Atlantic hurricane season, we want to extend our thoughts and our prayers to the families impacted by Hurricane Fiona and Hurricane Ian as they work diligently to rebuild their lives after the storms. And as our nation continues to reach out in support of these families, we want to especially extend our gratitude to the team at Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital.
As Floridians braced for Ian's tremendous impact, the team at All Children's Hospital came together to develop and then deliver on a unified emergency response effort. And while Ian evolved into one of the worst storms in U.S. history, together, the team remained steadfastly mission-focused while expertly caring for our patients, their loved ones, and each other. With so much at stake, they not only expertly addressed needs related to safety and emergency management, they went even further to address the fears and concerns of some of our youngest patients, their parents, and loved ones. Dr. Anthony Soche even suggested that a talent show take place to ease everyone's anxiety. I had the opportunity to watch the show via Zoom. Clearly it was great fun and lifted up the All Children staff and patients. We appreciate the entire team's efforts to create a safe haven during the storm.
We also want to take a moment to thank the All Children's team's loved ones for supporting their ability to focus on the care of our patients in the midst of the storm. Being away from home during a weather emergency is stressful, not just for healthcare workers. Spouses and partners, and parents and children, all are affected. Their understanding and their patience meant that hospital care could continue uninterrupted, even in the midst of a great hurricane. So we extend our thanks to them too. And finally, to our physicians and nurses, staff and volunteers at All Children's, on behalf of the entire Johns Hopkins Medicine team, we sincerely appreciate you for embodying the spirit and the mission of this great organization.
You are Johns Hopkins Medicine, and we honor you for your ability to overcome all obstacles to effectively deliver on our mission.
So please continue to stay safe, and we thank you all.